Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So today's video is going to feature some sassy pixie and bob haircut ideas. First up, we saw this beautiful lavender colored pixie, and then we move into a pixie haircut transformation. So the stylist is cutting the hair with the shears. Beautiful bangs with this one. I love the choppiness overall within this cut. It really added a lot of volume and height to this pixie. Beautiful. Next up, we see someone who does have naturally wavy hair. Looks like she's going to be getting an undercut. Absolutely beautiful. She does have long bangs within this undercut pixie. And this haircut also has a very strong choppiness to it that really added a lot of volume to the hair overall. Gorgeous. Next up, we see more of a Pixie haircut transformation. She does have two-tone coloring with this one, blonde at the top and then black going towards the bottom portion of the hair. This is a great way to add some dimensional tones within the strands. And this is a nice mix between the pixie and the bob haircuts. So then we see the hair cutting of another bob. This one does have beautiful natural curly texture, which you'll see in just a minute. So she's also going to be getting some nice face framing bangs with this one as well. Love the way that her natural texture looks within this cut. Absolutely beautiful. I love how perfectly shaped the nape is within that Pixie cut. So then we see another switch up of that undercut pixie. The stylist did a phenomenal job with that one. So then we move on to someone who has mid-length hair. The stylist is cutting the hair into a shoulder-length bob. Absolutely beautiful. Love the angle that this one is on. It really just brings out her eyebrows. The face framing side swept bangs really just adds some lusciousness to the hair overall. Beautiful. So then we move on to a major hair transformation. So she did the cutting herself. Obviously the stylist is going to be cleaning it up, but she's going to be getting a major big chop. So she ends up going from long hair to this beautiful boy cut pixie. Love the face framing bangs with this one. The hint of reddish brown tone really just makes her features pop. She looks absolutely beautiful. So much hair on the floor. So then we move into the next transformation. So she starts off with shoulder length hair. The stylist is going to be cutting the hair a little bit shorter, more into more of a bob style, giving her bangs as well. And she ends up getting that signature classic Cleopatra style bob. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So if you guys haven't done so already, don't forget to like today's video. It really helps my channel out. And of course, you want to make sure that you hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and hottest hair trends. So I will leave you now with this last hair transformation. I hope that you were inspired by this video, and I will see you in the next one.